everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can comment someone post in Threads app. Okay, so for example I'm going to choose this app, this post, and here we'll get four options: like, comment, repost and share. So this one, okay, and the second option, simply click on this. Once you click on this, then here you'll get some inbox, like a chat box. So you write something, then type randomly and then click post. Here you can see the option. So this one, simply click on post. Once you click on post, then it will be added on this post comment section. So you can view, you can see it's similar to retweet. If you use Twitter, then you can know it very well. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.